Good evening, guys. I'm back with another video. This would be a series. The series would be called At the Tomorrow Trade. It would be a daily session where a few minutes, 10 minutes maximum, where we will talk about the index, Bank Nifty, and couple of trading ideas for the next day. So, starting the feature, Bank Nifty was comparatively much weaker as compared to Nifty. Why? Reliance and IT sector were helping the Nifty, but banks were not helping that much. But Bank Nifty controls more than 38% of the Nifty weightage. So for Bank Nifty to go up, you see, it is a chart of the Bank Nifty. It's a 15-minute chart of the Bank Nifty. You can easily see on an hourly chart also. Here it is an hourly chart. We are just not able to cross our 50-day moving average. Bank Nifty has not been able to cross our 50-day moving average. It is always facing a rejection kind of thing. So Bank Nifty, if it goes up, the resistance will somewhere come at around 36,800. I have written the numbers here, 36,800, and support जो आएगा वो आएगा 36,200 पे. Now we are already closed at 36,500. तो अपसाइड ज्यादा नहीं है, डाउनसाइड ज्यादा है. So bank nifty is more of an avoid at the moment. But in case if we go below 36 200 levels, if we go below this level of 36 200, then the slide can be much bigger to 35 800. तो हमारा जब डाउनसाइड ज्यादा होता है, रिस्क रिवॉर्ड फेवर में नहीं है. जब रिस्क रिवॉर्ड फेवर में नहीं है, then we cannot make a certain trade, we cannot make a certain buy trade as of now. So market is good. Market is bullish. It is reversing from the sell-off of 15 1700 point sell-off. It is reversing, but it is important for the index to continue. Today we are facing the first hurdle in Bank Nifty as well as in Nifty. So what should be the trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty? The trade in Bank Nifty should is to buy only and only above 36 800 and to short only below 36 200, 36 300. You can short Bank Nifty below 36 300 and you can buy above 36 800. When you come to Nifty, the chart is much better. See, if you see the rise is much sharper. It is easy and it is very near the resistance at 15 17,406, closing at much above the 17 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is 17,263, which also coincides with the trend line support. If I draw the trend line here, the trend line support comes at around somewhere at this level. So this is the trend line support. The support in the Nifty would be, if the resistance would be on the Nifty would be somewhere around the resistance would be somewhere around 17,460. How 17,460? I'll just explain to them. And support at Nifty is coming at around 17,270. So we have a 150 point downside and we have a 150 point upside only. If you look at the trend line here, if you look at this trend line here, this would be the trend line here. This would be the trend line here. So it is coming somewhere around 17,460. तो 50 पॉइंट के अपसाइड के लिए और 150 पॉइंट का डाउनसाइड है. तो इट इज अ रिस्की ट्रेड एज ऑफ नाउ. सो द ट्रेड इज टू अवॉइड and wait for the dips to enter. ओमिक्रॉन की न्यूज रोज आती है. Volatility is all time high. PCR is now overbought category. FII is अब market जो है in terms of FII data, market is net long today. As of today evening, as per data today evening, market is net long. और last week तक market was net short. तो short covering आनी थी. But we are net long. तो यहाँ पे profit booking आएगी. यहाँ पे short covering नहीं आएगी. यहाँ पे अब शॉर्ट कवरिंग नहीं आएगी. जो शॉर्ट्स थे, ऑप्शन ट्रेडर्स थे, उनके साथ सबकी पोजीशंस कट गई हैं, अब आज खत्म हो गई ऑन द एक्सपायरी डे. सो द मार्केट इज नॉट नेट लॉन्ग. नेट लॉन्ग मार्केट में इट इज very much possible you will have a bout of profit booking tomorrow. Now, coming to the stocks, we have couple of good stocks to trade with. पहला स्टॉक होगा आपका कंटेनर कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया। उनका बहुत अच्छा स्टॉक है, इट्स अ गुड क्वालिटी कंपनी। बहुत अच्छा राइज दिया इसने 50-day मूविंग एवरेज से फ्रॉम 621 लेवल्स, क्लोजिंग एट नियरली इवन ट्राइड टू गो अबव द 100-day मूविंग एवरेज बट कुड नॉट, close just below it. So the moment Container Corporation crosses 645, 646 levels, then the rise is till 656 and then somewhere around 666. So Container Corporation पहला ट्रेड होगा on the buy side with a stop loss of somewhere around 630. अब 630 का स्टॉप लॉस लगाइए इंट्राडे में, और 665 666 के लेवल के लिए 660 666 के लेवल्स के लिए आप इसको बाई कर सकते हैं। दूसरा ट्रेड होगा हमारे लिए कल के लिए एसआरएफ। क्या शानदार रिकवरी दी है नीचे से, एक यहाँ पे डबल बॉटम बनाया है इसने समवेयर अराउंड 2000 पॉइंट्स का, 2000 पे, वहां से एक रिकवरी दी है। वहां से इसकी जो रिकवरी इट विल कंटिन्यू टिल 2100 एंड अबव। इसका जो पहला टारगेट बनता है एसआरएफ का, पहला टारगेट बनता है समवेयर अराउंड 2145। तो हमने इसको आज अपने बीटीएसटी ट्रेड में भी दिया है, और इसका पहला टारगेट बनेगा 2145। पर अगर आप इसको डेली चार्ट्स पे देखेंगे तो डेली चार्ट्स में इसका पैटर्न बहुत अच्छा है। इट इज गिविंग अ कंप्लीट रिवर्सल फ्रॉम 100-day मूविंग एवरेज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स देयर 50-day मूविंग एवरेज जो कि 2199 पे है। तो वी स्टिल हैव 110 पॉइंट्स ऑन एसआरएफ। तो एसआरएफ एज अ ट्रेड इज अ गुड ट्रेड फॉर कपल ऑफ डेज, और बहुत वोलेटाइल स्टॉक है, इसका हाई बीटा स्टॉक कहते हैं जिसको। 100 पॉइंट्स एसआरएफ के लिए कुछ भी नहीं, इट कैन इजीली कवर इन अ डे। 100 पॉइंट्स ऑन एसआरएफ कैन बी कवर्ड इन अ डे। Coming to overall market structure, the overall index structure is weak as long as, see, the rule is very simple, as long as we are below 17,650, as long as we are below 17,650 we are weak. It is a clear sell on rise, clear sell on rise. But certain pockets will keep on outperforming, underperforming, sector rotation hota rahega. So you got to keep your eye on it. You got to keep your eye on it and try to understand the derivative data closely. Coming to derivative data, this is the Nifty derivative data. Nifty derivative data clearly suggests, look at the longs added here. Look at the call side. Look at the call side. 40,000 is the open interest here, and the change in open interest is 24,000. Change in open interest is 24,700. But on the put size, the open interest is only 20,000 and the change is 17,000. Max means 90% of the put writers, 90% of the put writing has happened today on 17,400 strike. But call writing उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं हुई है. But still, why I'm circumspect on this Nifty is simply because call writing का number ज़्यादा है put writing से. If the market is so bullish that we will fill the gap, जो कि lot of technical analysts are believing it may not happen, then this figure should have been less than this figure. Then fresh additions on the call side, fresh additions on the call side, that is 24,780, should have been lesser than this number. Secondly, the IV structure. This is the IV part. The IV structure should have been, ये difference बहुत ज़्यादा है. Call IVs should have been higher or the put IVs should have been lower. Call IVs इतनी ज़्यादा lower है as compared to put IVs means call writing is happening continuously. So the retail traders are doing some call writing, but इतनी volume नहीं है अभी, क्योंकि next week अभी start होगा कल से, तो कल ज़्यादा clear picture मिलेगी. तो इतना volume नहीं है अभी कि ये यहाँ पे आपको शॉर्ट कवरिंग जैसा बने. जैसा मैंने कहा, मार्केट नेट लॉन्ग है. टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग वी वर एट 71-73% ऑफ एफआईआई लॉन्ग्स, जो कि आज बढ़ गए होंगे थोड़े से, जो कि एफआईआई की बाई फिगर बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है ऑन इंडेक्स राइट. ठीक है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस. ट्रेड इज क्लियरली बाय ऑन डिप्स. लेवल्स दे चुका हूं मैं, फिर से रिपीट करता हूं. निफ्टी में बाय सपोर्ट आता है 17,270 का फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ 17,460. बैंक निफ्टी में 36,800 and 36,200 is the range. Clear buy on dips with very strict stop loss. Clear buy on dips with very strict stop loss would be the only trade for the day.